Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to our discussion on Islamic banking. Issue today is very interesting. It says that money must be allowed to depreciate. And ownership or price risk in al-bay' or sale, it allows money to appreciate and depreciate. So why it is important to look into this issue of depreciation and appreciation of money? Because this is basically what we are involved in to understand the meaning of al-bay' that the Quran has prescribed, and to understand riba that the Quran has prohibited, and to make sure that there is some theological or philosophical underpinnings behind this Quranic revelation. And this is when we look at the Quranic verse in Surah Ar-Rahman, where Allah says, everything thereon is vanishing, there remaining only the face of your Lord, the possessor of majesty and generosity. So this is a proclamation that all must depreciate except Allah AlMightly, that we can't allow anything to appreciate like what we see in riba. In riba system, that the loan will appreciate over time by virtue of the legal contract, that there is no possibility of depreciation because the contract of riba loan has stipulated legal increment over the loan, and therefore the only way is to go up, to increase without any possibility of decrease, and therefore the riba system is actually contesting against God, and this is blasphemous. So submitting money to the law of depreciation is one of the essence of the Quranic ban on riba. Money must be allowed to depreciate, and this means that it must be open to both possibilities of appreciation and depreciation. So money, what I mean here is capital. We have surplus money, and the money is used as capital that can either be put in bank deposit or being used to make loan, or it can be used in sale or al-bay'. So both will take place when money is channeled into trade and commerce. So when money is invested into al-bay', then there is a possibility that the capital will increase or decrease by virtue of the outcome from the market movement. So the Quranic prescription of al-bay' as an antithesis of riba therefore confirm the need to put money back to its natural place as Allah's creation, and therefore it must depreciate. So we can say that Islamic banking product must observe this law of depreciation. So when money is invested in trading and commercial activity, al-bay', it can either appreciate or depreciate in value. So when the venture is profitable, the investor gets back the capital plus profit. The value of the investable capital has appreciated. Likewise, when the business incurs losses, it causes capital to depreciate. So in this way, money obeys the law of depreciation. It no longer assumes the attributes of Allah, whereby everything else should depreciate except Allah. Only in riba that money will appreciate by way of legal claim on the loan plus interest. Thus, in the riba system, money is God. This is shirk. So Islamic finance must avoid such blasphemous practice. So in conclusion, we can say that Islamic banking product must allow money to depreciate. So when Islamic bank make a murabaha or tawarruk, it must first purchase the asset from the supplier. Here the bank will face ownership risk, which can bring asset price to fall when the market is down. So the fall in asset price will mean depreciation in the capital investment, that is money used to purchase the asset, and it is a loss to the bank. So this possible fall in price cannot be eliminated by purpose to protect the bank from loss. Eliminating price risk is equivalent to secure and guarantee capital appreciation and denying capital depreciation. Indeed, this is a blasphemous behavior which we should not emulate from the ribawi system. So when Allah prescribed al-bay' over riba, we must allow every single banking product to evidence, that that profit generated from the Islamic banking product will follow the law of depreciation. And this would be the way forward, inshallah. Thank you very much. This is a philosophical and theological subject in Islamic banking, which I presume can be very new to most of us. So I hope that you can comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.